So we're at Best Buy, we're doing TV pickup. As you can see, they use TVs to make wall here. You know, when a TV like this, something this size goes through the delivery system, it sometimes get beat up. You could imagine a delivery man is tasked to pick up this box. It's probably coming from California, it probably go from one warehouse to the next. So when it comes to large TV, we prefer to do in-store pickup for you. Let me show you Best Buy a little bit. It's busy, it's crazy, it's hectic on the Black Friday. Everybody, hey dude, do you get a good deal? No good deal? Okay, fantastic. We got the cops at the door. The parking lot is equally busy. When I get out there, I'm gonna make a video for you guys too. It's jumping, it's bumping, it's crazy. We ourselves, we're picking up a half dozen TV right now for you guys. You guys have just been tearing it up. Here we go. We have 5 on the cart. We're putting another one on it, a 65-inch on it. There you go. We're gonna get it to you safe and secure, delivered to your door in Jamaica. It is hopping. And once we get out, we'll make a video of the parking lot, show you what the parking lot looks like. Yeah, so he sent me to bring the car up to load the TV in. As you can see, the cops parked out front. Everywhere you go, the cops are ever so present, keeping the order. We're gonna drive the truck up to the front right here and meet my guy up here and load the TVs in. So we're all loaded up in front of Best Buy, about to go. This is the one of the many stops that I'm gonna be making for you guys today. It's busy, people constantly going in and out. The store is full, it's hopping, it's popping, even though it's an overcast day and it's about to rain. Jump online, secure your deal. The TVs are being sold out across Walmart and Best Buy. Jump online, secure your deal, get your Black Friday purchase in. We'll go out and do in-store pickups for you if you wish.